How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to remotely control your Steam Deck with your PC. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the reason for that is because all of the integrations and functions are built into Steam, like the Steam app on your PC. So the way to do it is you want to open Steam on your PC as normal, and you want to navigate to settings, which can be found on the top left corner of the window for Steam. And when you click on settings, this should bring you a new window where you have a bunch of different options to choose from. So you want to look for remote play as shown here, and you want to click on this little box here to enable it. And when you do, hit OK. And what would happen is the Steam Deck would become accessible, and it would appear on this list right here as a discoverable device. So once this is here, all you have to do is connect. Now, there are a couple of different configurations here to actually improve performance, but all of these have to do with network settings, like how much bandwidth you want the um, to be sent across from your PC to your Steam Deck, to maybe minimize input lag, stuff like that. But these settings may vary on your internet setup, so we're just gonna skip them for now. Now, the next thing that you want to do is we're going to connect the Steam Deck to our PC. And to do so, what you need to do is turn on the Steam Deck, obviously, and you want to click on the Steam button, and then you want to scroll down and highlight Remote Play. Now, this option should pop up uh, right on the screen immediately. Now, when once you click on this option, you want to simply enable it, as shown here, and then you want to hit OK, and here you'll get a bunch of different configurations again for the network and stuff. So you get like a better resolution, less input lag, but we're gonna skip that. And now to actually play, all we have to do is on the Steam Deck, you want to click on the arrow key or the downwards arrow next to the play button, and this would give you an option to actually play the game on the paired device. In this case, the PC. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can play games or Steam Deck through your PC. So if this guide worked out for you guys, be sure to let us know that in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.